Hello and welcome guys. Here in our today's lecture we're going to learn about files handling in Python. So file handling is an important part of any application. Python has several functions for creating, reading, updating and deleting files. These files objects can be any sort of files you have on your computer, whether it be an audio file, text file, emails, Excel documents, extras. And there are the several functions used in Python to deal with files. And the key function for working with file in Python is the open function. The open function takes two parameters, file name and mode. Modes for opening files are for read, A for append, W for write, and X for create. And there are binary and text modes, T for text and B for binary. And here we are going to learn the followings, the reading files, creating, writing files, and deleting files. Let's start with writing a file. So how we can basically write the file, and just here write a file. Suppose my file open, here we go, and here we test.txt, and here we can use the W plus. W or W plus truncate the original, meaning that anything that was in original file is deleted, and then it will be the just open it. First thing is the just open. And then my file dot write some text in it. Hello, welcome to Python programming A to Z. And then just we need to the run all. Then it says this 41. So we can just read the file with the help of here read file. Like here we can say my file dot seek as 0, and here my file dot read. Here we go. Hello, welcome to Python programming A to Z. And physically we can see the file here, like this is the text file. Hello, welcome. This is written into this our folder where the file is lies. So this is the reading and writing and reading of this file. Also we can something like that to try to create file with the Ipython writing files as well. So here the Ipython writing a file way, which is just I need to mark it down, and I need to here. By this way you can write file test.file test.text, and here hello this is quick test file. So let's see, run it. So overwriting the text file. Now if we are going to just we can say like that my file and here we need the read mode, and here my file dot seek 0, and here my file dot read. And if we run now, then hello, this is quick test file. Now it is overwritten over here. You can check the current path of the file is this this Python. This file is exist in this folder path, and also you can read a line by line file as well. Here the by line file. So just only this we need to put this, and my file dot read lines here in this way, and run it. So this is, if there are more than one lines, then it will be appear like this way. So also you can append the multiple stuff into the appending in file, like my file. We need to needs to open the file in the appending mode here. A plus A opens the file and puts the pointer at the end. So any return is appending, like W plus A plus let us read and write to file. If we file does not X, one will be created. So let's my file dot write, and here just I am adding here the new line, and this is a new text pending in old file of text test.txt, and also this is new text last line added in it. So now if we see here, execute this, then it already wrote it here. So now we need to again call this mySeek, and then if we use the read lines or read functions, read line will read the lines. If we see here, this is the line, this is the line, this is the line, and if we use just only the read function, then we will able to read this file in this way. So we can just remove the file as well from here, how to delete the file. So we just needs to import the delete the file. We just need, here we go, if we run it it's written. Now I would like to show you here, this is test file is again here. Okay, so just I would like to file 6, right? If you see here, this file text is already existing, and now I am again deleting this from here to show you here. If you see, text is gone from here. So this is all about the files. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy the lecture.